everyone and welcome to my channel. In this video and upcoming two more videos, we will be learning about channels in Go. So let's dive in. So what are channels? Channels enable Go routines to communicate with each other by sending and receiving values. Go routines can safely send and receive data on channels without worrying about race conditions or explicit logs. There are basically two types of channels, unbuffered channel and buffered channel. Note that every Go routine can receive the data from channel only once. As you can see, Go routine 1 is sending some data on channel and Go routine 2 can receive it, thus enables them to communicate with each other. Now, let us see the type of channels. There are two types of channels, buffered and unbuffered channel. Let's talk about unbuffered channel in this video and we will cover buffered channel in the next one. So what is unbuffered channel? Unbuffered channels are the channels that have the capacity of 0. So when a value is sent on an unbuffered channel, the sender will be blocked until a receiver is ready to receive the value and vice versa. Now let's see the syntax to make unbuffered channel. To make unbuffered channel, we need to pass the keyword chan and the type of data in make function. Let's say goroutine 1 and goroutine 2 are running concurrently and goroutine 1 send the string text on the channel. Now goroutine 1 will be blocked until goroutine 2 fetches the data from the channel, and we won't see hello world because as we saw, unbuffered channel cannot store any data. Let's say goroutine 2 fetches the data from the channel. Now our goroutine 1 will be unblocked and we will get our output. In this program, we will create two functions, sender and receiver. Sender will send the data on the channel and receiver will receive the data. So first of all, let's create our channel. Now let's define our functions. Now we will pass our channel to our functions. Remember, just like slices and maps, channels are passed as reference by default. Now we will pass the data on our channel in sender and receive it in receiver. Now we will run our code and see the output. As you can see, we are not getting any output, and the reason for that is that our main function is not waiting for the go routines and finishes before them. So let's block the execution of our main function for some time. I know we should use wait groups here, but for simplicity I am using time.sleep. Let's run our code again and see the output. we are getting our output, but let's add few more print statements to understand the flow of our code. Now let's run our code again and see the output. So I did write statement 1 twice, so let's correct it and let's check the output again. So first of all, we are getting statement 1 because maybe sender goroutine started to execute first this time. And after this, sender is sending the data on the channel and gets blocked until other goroutine fetches the data. So control goes to receiver and we are getting statement 3 and statement 4. And finally, statement 2. Now, I want you to note that statement 2 will always be printed after statement 3 and I want you to give the explanation in comment section.